I'm Brian Washburn, and we are here in Elsie, Michigan. We are W Farms LLC, and it's a 50-50 partnership with myself and my uncle David Williams. I'm a sixth-generation farmer on our 4,000-acre farm. We raise corn, soybeans, and wheat. So we're running all Deere equipment, John Deere. We got two 82, 85R tractors out here, both pulling 40-foot air seeders. We can roughly do about 45 acres an hour. We're planting Group 2.4 maturity soybeans. They're Pioneer 24A80s, and they're the Extend technology, which is the dicamba tolerant. So that's going to give us a little bit of flexibility in case we have some of these Roundup resistant weed escapes, that we can go after those weeds and spot spray them at least without killing the beans. The other thing is it's basically like an insurance policy in a way, because it doesn't mean that you have to actually use the technology. You can still go out and spray and do your normal program, and that's the way we're approaching it, is it's kind of like an insurance policy for us against the weeds. We're planting in 15-inch rows with these air seeders, and that's primarily because of weed control. We want to shade the ground, and we found we can get canopy closure quicker with 15s obviously than 30s, and we're sacrificing some seed placement, instead of using a corn planter type planter that's going to have great singulation. We're using these instead and going 15s, and also we use these for planting wheat, so it's kind of a double purpose. We switched this year and went with Deere's latest and greatest monitors. We have 4G in all of our tractors and combines. When the other tractor pulled in the field, it knew that I had already made a guidance line here, so it's using the same guidance line. When we come together in the middle of the field, it'll be 15 inches apart because we're planting 15-inch spacing. So we're on RTK, so it's sub-inch accuracy. We're hooked direct to the cloud, so as we're planting, it's taking our information and sending it directly to the cloud. If I was at home sitting on my desktop, I could pull up on the John Deere Ops Center and I could watch these tractors going back and forth in the field. We use our data a lot, our yield maps, our planting maps, and our fertilizer maps to customize what we're going to do for the next year. And there's a lot of programs that we use for modeling nitrogen, and which we work with Pioneer on through the Encirca program. And so we have to have good data, because junk in and junk out basically. So if you don't have good quality data, you can't take your farm to the next step and try to do some of these new things where we're trying to push yields and trying to take the farm to the next level basically.